In a time long ago, there was a world connected by an immense and intricate system of chains. These chains stretched across cities, mountains, and oceans, linking every corner of the world. They carried messages, powered trade, and ensured the smooth flow of goods. The people believed these chains were unbreakable and that they were their only way to survive. But the chains had a secret. Every link in the chain was controlled by a group of powerful forge masters. They decided who could use the chains, how fast they could travel, and how much it would cost. For every link added, for every shipment sent, the forge masters demanded their toll. The people grumbled, but accepted it. "This is how the world works," they said. "The chains are all we have." One day, a merchant named Aaron noticed something peculiar. He had sent a shipment of grain to a distant village, but when it arrived, the forge masters had taken nearly half as their fee. Furious, he demanded answers. The forge masters laughed. "The chains belong to us. If you don't like it, you're free to find another way." But there was no other way, or so Aaron thought. Determined, he began to explore the forgotten corners of the world, seeking an alternative. After months of searching, he stumbled upon a hidden village deep in the forest. The people there lived without the chains. Instead, they used something entirely new, a glowing sphere they called the Node of Freedom. "What is this?" Aaron asked, marveling at its light. "This," the villagers explained, "is a node in a network we've built ourselves. It doesn't rely on chains or forge masters. It's decentralized, and it belongs to everyone who connects to it." Arun was skeptical. How can it possibly replace the chains? The chains are what hold the world together. One of the villagers smiled. "The chains don't hold the world together. They hold it down. Our network is different. It doesn't require middlemen. It's fast, fair, and secure. Every connection strengthens the network, and no one person can control it." Intrigued, Aaron returned to his city with a Node of Freedom. Slowly, he began to teach others how to connect. It wasn't easy. The forge masters mocked him, and many doubted the network's potential. But over time, the people saw its benefits. It was faster, cheaper, and didn't demand the heavy tolls of the chains. As more people joined the network, the chains began to rust. The forge masters lost their grip. Unable to control a world that no longer needed them, the people were free to trade, communicate, and prosper without fear of exploitation. The chains still stretched across the world, but they were forgotten relics of a bygone era. The Node of Freedom had shown the people a new way, one where power belonged to everyone, not the few. The chains are the centralized systems of today. The Node of Freedom is Bitcoin and blockchain technology. The question is, will you stay bound by the old ways, or will you help build a future without chains?